The Psychology of Money. The Psychology of Money explains that financial success is not mainly about intelligence, mathematics, or market timing. It is about behavior, mindset, and long-term discipline. People make money decisions based on their personal experiences, emotions, and biases, not purely on logic. One of the core ideas of the book is that everyone sees money differently. Your financial choices are shaped by how you grew up, what you experienced during economic crises, and what risks you have personally witnessed. Because of this, what feels safe or risky to one person may feel completely different to another. The book strongly emphasizes the power of compounding. Small, consistent actions over a long period can create massive results. Wealth is built slowly, not through overnight success or luck, but through patience and time in the market. Another key lesson is the difference between being rich and being wealthy. Being rich is about how much money you show. Being wealthy is about how much money you keep. True wealth is invisible. It is freedom, security, and control over your time. Housel also explains that risk is always present, even when things appear safe. Successful investors accept uncertainty and plan for survival instead of perfection. Staying in the game long enough is more important than making perfect decisions. The book highlights the importance of contentment. Trying to compare yourself to others or chasing endless growth often leads to poor financial decisions. Knowing enough is a powerful skill that protects you from greed and unnecessary risk. Finally, the psychology of money teaches that good financial decisions do not need to be complicated. Simple habits like saving regularly, avoiding debt, thinking long-term, and controlling emotions are more effective than complex strategies.